Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Let's see how to solve this algebraic expression. This is from Math Olympiad. So a minus b cube, b minus c cube, c minus a cube divided by a minus b into b minus c and c minus c. So let's consider a minus b is equal to x, b minus c is equal to y, c minus a is equal to z. Now we know that if x plus y plus z is equal to 0, then x cube minus plus y cube plus z cube is equal to 3x y z. Now let's see if this is true. So a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a, okay, is equal to a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. So this is cancelled, and this is cancelled. So is equal to 0. So now this is true. So here in this expression we can write it as, let's write it here, 3 into a minus b into b minus c into c minus a. Okay, c minus c, and this is our denominator is equal to a minus b bracket b minus c and c minus a. Now this we can cancel out here, is equal to 3. So the value of our expression is 3. For such amazing Math Olympiad questions, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.